Hello Silver friends, this is Joli from Quicksilver Hair, and today we are unboxing a Laifen SE2. This is the third hair dryer in their series of hair dryers, and they were gracious enough to send it to me so I could share it with you. This is a sponsored post because of that. Anyways, let's get into it. I want to compare this dryer to their other two dryers, and I want to share the features of this dryer with you. This one's pretty special because it was designed for fine, delicate hair for children. So it has a special child mode, and we'll get into that in just a moment. I wanted to do an unboxing with you because I think that packaging speaks volumes about the quality of a product. And like Apple products, the packaging in Laifen products is designed to make you want to keep it. It's beautiful, it's elegant, and it's very well done. So we're going to unbox this thing together. They all come in a nice little white box like this with a sleeve on it. So let me get that. Get in it. They come double boxed like this, and this is always the hardest part, is getting it out of this part. There we go. Oh my God, I can't get it out. There she goes. She's beautiful. She feels just like the Swift. There is a paper coating on there. There she is. So they come in a matte white, which obviously this is the matte white, and a matte purple. They have a 8.2 foot cord with a strap and no electrical box on them. They were very good at listening to customers complaining about that original cord design. So now, just as a side note, all of the dryers from Laifen come with an 8.2 foot cord and no box. You may get one different if you order from someone besides Laifen that is backstock somewhere. So just keep that in mind. We're gonna plug her in. Okay, got her plugged in so you guys can hear her rev up. Every bit as powerful as the Swift and the original SE. It has 108 RPM motor, which is right in between the Swift and the SE. It weighs 13.75 ounces, which is slightly lighter than the SE and the Swift. It has a temperature control system that checks the temperature 80 times per second. It comes with a 59 decibel rating for sound, which is pretty good. It's not that loud. I do not find them to be as loud as any hairdryer that I've ever had, so I appreciate that. It does have a slightly different pitch than a lot of dryers. I think it's mostly because of the shape of this head on it and the inlet for air. It has its magnetic attachment for the filter to clean with. And it is made of a high-grade nylon and fiberglass material, which is the same, I believe, as the Swift. The SE original version has a slightly different casing and body. It has on-off speeds grade 1 and 2, which is the same as all the other dryers, and it has the temperature hot, warm, cold, and a long press for auto cycling or child mode. It has the LED ring that tells you what temperature you're on: blue for cold, orange for medium, red for hot. And then long press gives you auto cycle and child mode. It has a really strong blower on it on even medium. So it can be used for any type of hairstyling. It also comes with the smooth nozzle, which you'll see here, and a diffuser. This is the same diffuser as the SE. It is different than the Swift diffuser. And if you want to check that out, I have a video comparing the two when I compared the SE to the Swift. I'll link that in the description box below. But this is the same diffuser. They are magnetic attachments, which I love the magnetic sound. It's very satisfying. And they're interchangeable with the Swift attachments. So if you prefer the Swift diffuser like I do, you can switch it out and use this one. One of the key features that sets this dryer apart from the Swift and the SE is child mode. It allows for 10 heat settings instead of 8, and it has this special mode called child mode that is meant for more delicate, fine, thin hair, which I can appreciate because even for those of us with silver hair, we can have fine, thin, delicate hair. I know that is something that I have. So I really appreciate that this dryer is meant to protect your hair even further than the original design of the Swift. I think this is a really cool dryer. The difference in heat settings, if you want to know that information, is that child mode low is around 100 degrees and high is around 118 degrees. So once it's in child mode, it will not get so hot that it can damage a child's hair or hurt one of your animals or so forth. So it's really thoughtful design, I think, and I really appreciated where they're going with this to include the whole family. So the question is, who is this dryer for? Because it's in the middle ground between the Swift and the SE, and it has these key features for children, I think that it is best for the entire family. It is for all hair types because it comes with a diffuser and the smooth nozzle, so you can style your hair curly or straight. And you can set it to that safety setting where it stays below 118 degrees at its highest temperature, and then it's safe for anyone. Safe for your child, safe for your pets, and safe for those of us with more delicate hair types. The SE2 is regularly priced at $149.99, which is right in between the Swift and the SE original. They are moderately priced, so it's really a good price for the whole family again, and if you're going to use it for everyone, it's well worth the price. These are very well made dryers, and I still love my Swift, and I know that I will love this one too as I use it for the rest of my family. And with my discount code that is in the description box below, you can get an additional discount on it. I will include all the specs below in case you missed something in this video, and any other links that I mentioned will also be listed in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that thumbs up button. If you have any comments or questions, please leave those in the comments section below. I'm always happy to answer your questions and enjoy chatting with you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so now because I would love to see you next time. Until then, shine on.